In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted photos from Google Photos. It's a really handy process to know, especially considering how easy it is to accidentally delete something important. We're going to walk through a few straightforward steps, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to get those cherished memories back where they belong. First things first, you'll want to open up your Google Photos account. This is where all your photos live, including the ones you've deleted. Once you're in your account, keep your eyes on the left side of the screen. We're looking for something called trash. This is where any deleted photos are temporarily stored. It's kind of like safety net provided by Google, where deleted items are held for a period of 60 days before they are permanently removed. This is where you have the chance to recover them, so let's make use of it. Now click on the trash option. Once you're there, you'll be able to see all the photos that have been deleted from your account within the last 2 months. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the photo or photos you're looking to recover. Remember, once 60 days have passed, items in the trash are automatically deleted, so it's best to recover them as soon as possible. Once you've found the photo you want to restore, click on it. This will highlight the photo, indicating that it's the one you've selected for recovery. At the top or somewhere around the screen, you should see an option to restore. Go ahead and click that button. What this does is return the photo back to its original location in your Google Photos library as if it never left. After you have restored your photo, you can head back to the main photos area in your Google account. This is where you should find your recovered image back safe and sound. If for some reason you don't see your photo right away, don't worry. Simply hit the refresh button on your browser a couple of times. Sometimes there can be a slight delay, but it should appear shortly after refreshing. And that's it. You now have your deleted photo back in your Google Photos library. Remember, being able to recover photos from the trash effectively means you don't have to panic whenever something gets deleted. Just make sure to act within the 60-day window. Hopefully, this guide was clear and helpful. Now you can manage your photos with a bit more confidence, knowing you have a second chance if anything goes missing. Thanks for tuning in, and happy photo recovering.